Maybe you can see it, but I have a problem over here. Hang on. Let me zoom in. Behind the cat, those are my headphones. And the problem is that I need a stand to hang them on. So I woke up one morning and roughly sketched this. Kinda wanna make it. I have this little clamp thing that I found in my toolbox. And this horribly bent piece of walnut or some kind of nut wood that is left over from making a clock, surprisingly. I didn't make that video. Maybe one day. First things first, let's rip this down to the right width. You can really see how bent this was. In this next cut, it's just wobbling everywhere. I also don't have a planer, so I sanded this to try and get it perfectly flat.
346 minutes later.
Now to start the little bit that holds the headset. I used my crosscut sled to hollow out the inside as if it was a dado or a giant groove, and then finished it with some chisels to kind of clean it up. And of course, more sanding.
Five minutes later. Five minutes later.
Like the idiot I am, I decided to make this really hard for myself and join this little bit that holds the headset with a mortise and tenon. Like I could have just done a butt joint, but like I need some excitement in my life, I guess. I will say this little sideward shimmy to clean up these joints on the table so it's really satisfying. Don't let the camera angle fool you. My fingers are not that close to the blade. I take safety very seriously, and so should you. Now I try and work out how this is going to actually fit together. I guess I'm just going to have to make a hole in the stand somehow. Oh yeah, that's how. I promise I'm just keeping these really awkward chisel bits in to make real woodworkers really angry. Hey, you can't blame me. The YouTube algorithm says any form of engagement is good. Oh yeah, I remembered I had this file. It actually fit perfectly in the hole. I didn't even have to adjust the sizes or anything. Kind of a surprise. definitely didn't edit out the 3 times back and forth before this actually fit. Yeah, and a tip I always forget, use a scrap piece of wood when hammering things in so you don't dent your workpiece. Right, so this is the plan. I have to cut yet another joint to put the bottom in nicely. Yeah, again, making my life a little bit difficult. And now the satisfying part. Definitely happened on first try. So for the clamp to fit in, I had to drill out a hole here. I think this is the best way it's going to fit on the desk. And look it works. I got very excited about this, maybe you can tell. Right, we're getting a bit ahead of ourselves. First we need to finish it. Maybe some of you have seen it before, but my finishing process is nitrile gloves, paper towels, and hard wax oil. It seems to work the best for me. It's really simple to apply. I generally put 1 coat, although sometimes think I should be patient and do more. But pretty happy with the end result most of the time. Plus I always feel cool putting on the gloves. Final result in place. I'm hopeful this saves me from Leroy's wrath. If you enjoyed the sarcasm and bad chisel work, please hit the like, subscribe, comment, dislike, whatever. Anything helps. See you next time.